Rolex's 2025 collection showcases the brand's commitment to innovation, craftsmanship, and timeless elegance. This year's lineup introduces groundbreaking models and updates to iconic timepieces, solidifying Rolex's position at the pinnacle of luxury watchmaking. Bold new chapter. The Land Dweller marks Rolex's first entirely new collection in over a decade, blending vintage inspiration with modern engineering. Available in 36mm and 40mm sizes, it features a laser-etched honeycomb dial and an integrated flat Jubilee bracelet, reminiscent of the classic Oysterquartz design. The watch debuts the caliber 7135 movement with the innovative Dynapulse escapement, enhancing precision and resistance to magnetic fields. 2. GMT-Master 2, a tribute to heritage. The GMT-Master 2 continues to captivate with its iconic two-tone bezel and dual-time functionality. The 2025 edition introduces a tiger iron dial, offering a unique aesthetic that pays homage to the model's rich history. 3. Perpetual 1908, elegance redefined. The Perpetual 1908 series receives a refined update with the introduction of the Setimo bracelet, enhancing comfort and style. This model embodies Rolex's dedication to timeless design and modern innovation. 4. Cosmograph Daytona, a spectrum of luxury. The Cosmograph Daytona expands its appeal with new dial options, including turquoise, green, blue, chocolate, and meteorite variations. These additions offer a fresh take on the classic chronograph, catering to diverse tastes. 5. Day Date. 40. The pinnacle of prestige. The Day-Date 40 continues to exemplify luxury with its platinum construction and diamond-set bezel. This model remains a symbol of status and sophistication, appealing to discerning collectors.